we've just taken into stock this absolutely beautiful low mileage Jaguar 2-litre diesel R Sport. It's the top of the range and all the R Sport body styling kit. It is finished in frenzy red, matching red and black interior with leather. Wheels are immaculate. Car is immaculate. It's in lovely condition throughout. Rear park distance control, rear lip spoiler there. You can, if you want, change the colour of the wheels to a smoke chrome, grey or jet black colour if you want. Sometimes people like that. We've left it as standard at the moment. Boot area, absolutely as you expect for such a low mileage car. Interior, even got matching carpet mats. Beautiful colour combination, sort of mint down here between the door shuts. Good electric mirrors, electric windows, R Sport kit plates. Red stitch piping around here, absolutely lovely. Push start, satellite navigation. I'll just turn it off again. So on 23,079 miles. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. Cruise control, R Sport. Steering wheel, leather steering wheel. Sorry, cruise control there. Multi-function steering wheel there. You've got your climate control. Down. Heated seats. Home screen. Media pack. Turn that on. Media pack. Bluetooth phone connectivity. Apple CarPlay. Different ways of driving the car. Driving styles. Aux and USB. Absolutely stunning. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.